district. Several passengers are injured and disaster management teams are at the spot for rescue operations. According to the police, at least 5 people have died in the accident so far.
आप देख रहे हैं कंचनजंगा एक्सप्रेस है। ये पीछे यहाँ पे खड़ा था और पीछे से एक मालगाड़ी आके उसको ठोक दिया। 3 बॉगी अभी तक डिटेल्ड हुआ है, 5 फैटलिटी हुआ है, कैजुअलिटी हुआ है 5। अभी तक हम रेस्क्यू कर लिया है और मालगाड़ी का जो आगे का इंजन है वहाँ पे गैस कटर लगेगा। आरपीएफ भी आगे है, हम लोग लोकल पीएस से आगे है। ठीक है,
यहाँ तो मतलब जो है एक ट्रेन शायद खड़ी हुई थी और एक ट्रेन आगे जो है इनसे टकरा गई शायद। 1-2 जो है डेथ बॉडी मैंने अभी देखा है।
जब ये घटना घटी तब टाइम हो रहा था अप्रॉक्स 8:35 मॉर्निंग। तो जितना हम लोग को पता चला, सामने कंचना जो एक्सप्रेस है वो धीरे गति से चल रहा था, वो खड़ा नहीं था, धीरे गति चल रहा था। पीछे से जो मालगाड़ी है वो अचानक बहुत स्पीड से था, वो आके पीछे से मर दिया उसको। अचानक देखिए इतना आवाज हुआ था, यहाँ पे जो लोकेलिटी जितना सब है सब आके रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन में लग गया। स्पॉट डेट हम लोगों को जितना पता चला 5-6 जन यहाँ पे रेस्क्यू किया गया है। अभी भी अब देख सकते हैं कि अभी जस्ट नाउ एक जन को रेस्क्यू करके गया।
Shreya, my colleague, is going to help us better understand what the on-ground situation is. Shreya, what are we picking up in terms of what it's looking like, and more importantly, with the fact that we have got that official reaction saying, unfortunately, 5 people have died in the accident?
You know, of course, it is not looking good. It is a very grim situation. And let me tell you, this accident has happened today morning. Now, what has happened is that the Shialdah Kanchenjunga Express, which is the Agartala Shialdah Kanchenjunga Express, this was moving with a slow speed when a goods train comes from the back and have hit this Kanchenjunga Express from the back. Now, what has been known is that 3 compartments, 3 bogies from the back of the train have been completely derailed. Now, what we know so far is that 5 people have died. There is official confirmation, and over 20 to 25 people at least have been injured. Now remember, already the NDRF team is at the spot, police is at the spot, the rescue operation is on. Now many questions is being raised as to was there a failure on the part of signaling, as to what transpired in the ground and what led to the accident. So many questions are being asked at this point in time. Let me also tell you, the Darjeeling MP Raju Bista is already on his way, to see this site, to see this accident. This has happened in North Bengal. We have already seen Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee taking to our handle and condemning the incident. Now we will have to see, but so far what we are collecting from official sources, the situation is not looking good after this goods train have come and hit the Kanchenjunga Express from the back.
Right, Shreya. In fact, as we're talking about the same, we're looking at the visuals on our screens, which is looking like an absolutely grim situation as well. What else are we picking up in terms of rescue operations, although we understand multiple teams have come together to take stock of the same?
You know, of course, the rescue operation has already started. It has been almost 1 hour when the rescue team have reached the spot. Not only the NDRF team, but remember, police have also rushed to the spot. Now, different teams have gone to the spot. The rescue operation is on, and if you look at the visual, it is really grim visuals where we see that several bodies are, being trapped. They have been injured. Now, 5 dead bodies have been recovered so far. The rescue operation is on, and we have to overlook the situation. But what we are collecting from official sources, the death toll might go up. In fact, more and more people might be trapped in this incident. So, of course, it's a total chaos at this point in time, but we will have to see what happens, because remember, the rescue operation is already underway, and what we are picking up is that the situation is not looking good at this point in time.
Absolutely, Shreya. In fact, as you get us those details, stay with me. I understand you're tracking more important developments for us. So I'm going to come back to you in a couple of minutes. We'll continue